Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to guide you on how to get Delta Executor Mobile on both iOS and Android devices. If you're into Roblox and want the best executor for your mobile device, this is the perfect video for you. Make sure to watch till the end, drop a like, subscribe, and let's dive right in. First, to successfully install Delta Executor Mobile, there are a few quick setup steps we need to take on our devices. This works for both iOS and Android users, but iPhone users have an extra step to follow at the start. Step 1. iPhone users only go to your Settings app, open General Settings, and find Background App Refresh. Ensure it's turned on. If it's set to off, switch it to Wi-Fi and cellular data. This is crucial because if Background App Refresh is disabled, some important files for Delta Executor won't install correctly, leading to crashes, bugs, or even preventing the app from working at all. Step 2. For iOS and Android users, now head to your battery settings. For iPhone users, turn off low power mode. On Android, this may be called battery saving mode or power saving mode. Locate it under the battery settings and turn it off. If this setting is active, it will disable Background App Refresh, which is essential for installing Delta Executor Mobile. Step 3. Installing Delta Executor. After adjusting these settings, open your preferred web browser. Safari, Chrome, or any other browser works. Like Google Chrome, and type Delta Executor, visit the first website and download it. It clearly says it works on iOS and Android without jailbreaking or rooting. Press the Install Delta Executor button and you're good to go. Make sure you follow these instructions step by step. Adjust your settings, visit the website, and install the app on your iPhone or Android. It's that simple. If you've tried it out, share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on Delta Executor Mobile or the latest Roblox executors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.